friends, welcome to Coding Host YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you what is HashSet. So in Java, HashSet class is used to create a collection that uses a hash table for storage. So as an example, you can see that we have many data structure to store elements and objects like array list, linked list, set or list. So we also have HashSet in Java. So HashSet is a hashmap instance. So I will explain you what is hashmap in my next video. And HashSet implements set interface. So what is set interface? So set interface is present in java.util package. So whenever we are using some data structure, we have to import their classes in Java. So for that we have to import java.util package. So in this package we also have this set interface. This set interface also extends the collection interface. So what is collection interface? So all the classes that we use for storage like linked list, array list, list, set, etc. are present in the collection interface. And HashSet is an unordered collection of objects in which duplicate values cannot be stored. So what is the unordered collection? So suppose in the array list you are storing 5 numbers from 1 to 5, and in the output when we print that array list, so we will get the number in the same sequence from 1 to 5, but it will not happen in HashSet. It can be different because they are not stored by their value, because elements in the HashSet are not stored by their values, they are stored by their hash code. Now let's see some HashSet important points. So HashSet stores the element by using a mechanism called hashing. So what is hashing? Suppose you have some plain text like this strings. So then some hash function will convert all this text into the hash code. Then it will get stored in the HashSet. That's why whenever we are trying to print the elements, it can happen that they will not come in the output in the same sequence. Next is it allows null value. So we can also store null value in the HashSet, and HashSet does not store duplicate values. So it is the advantage of HashSet, and it does not guarantee that elements are inserted in the same order. They are inserted based on their hash code. So I already have explained you. Now we will write the program. First we will see that how to make a HashSet and how to store elements in the HashSet. So we have to use here HashSet keyword, and then we have to use this arrow symbols, and we have to enter the data type of the HashSet. So I will enter here string, then the name of the HashSet is set equal to new HashSet. This is how we can make HashSet in Java. So now we have to store some elements in this HashSet. So I will write here set.add, and here I will enter some string like 4, then set.add 5, then set.add 6, and set.add 7. So we have seen that how to make HashSet and how to insert element in the HashSet. So we have to use this add function. So now we will see that how we can print output of this HashSet. So for that we have to make a iterator. So I will write here iterator of type. So HashSet data type is string. So we have to write here string, and the iterator name equal to HashSet name set dot iterator. So here we have to write iterator. Now I will use a while loop here, while I dot has next. So in the output I will write system dot out dot println I dot next. So in the while loop we have to write I dot has next, and in the println statement we have to write I dot next. So now let's run this program. So you can see in the output that we are not getting the strings in the same sequence that we have entered here. So that is why HashSet is an unordered collection. Next is adding duplicate elements. So suppose if I try to add here some duplicate elements and see what will happen. So I will copy these lines here and I will paste them here. So now we will run the program again. So you can see that still we are only getting 4 elements in the output. So it is not storing the duplicate elements. But suppose if I make this string in capital, let's see what will happen. So now let's run the program again. So now you can see that we are getting this 4 also. So you can see that we have different assign value for small case and uppercase letters. That's why capital string and lowercase strings are different. Next is we have to remove elements from this hash set. If I try to run this program now, you can see that in the output we will get how many strings. We get 4 strings, and I will write here set dot remove, and here I will enter 6, and after that we will print our set. So now I will use here only the println statement. So system dot out dot println, and here I will enter set. So I am removing this iterator and this while loop here. So I will comment this, and here I will print our set before and after the remove function. So let's see what will happen in the output. So you can see that earlier we had 4 strings in the hash set, and after removing 6, and we only have 3 strings in the hash set. And after that, suppose if we want to remove all the elements of this hash set, then what we have to do? So we have to write here set dot clear, and after that I will print this set. I am removing these lines from here for now, and we will see what we will get in the output. So you can see that now we are getting empty hash set in the output. And next we will see making hash set from another collection. So first I will make array list here. So array list of type string al equal to new array list. So in this array list I will insert some strings. Al dot add apple, al dot add mango, al dot add watermelon. So I am storing all the strings in only lowercase letters. Then al dot add strawberry. So now if we try to print our array list, so system dot out dot println al, and let's run this program. So you can see that in the output we are getting the 4 strings, and we are also getting them in the same sequence: apple, mango, watermelon and strawberry. But suppose if we store this array list in the hash set, what will happen? So I will make a hash set here, hash set of type string set equal to new hash set, and here I will enter this array list name, so al, and then we will try to print this hash set. I will copy this println statement. So here I will write set, and let's run this program. So you can see that in the hash set we are also getting these 4 strings, but we are not getting them in the same order. And suppose in this array list if we had duplicate values, suppose I will add these elements again in the array list. So let's see what will happen. So let's run this program. So you can see that in the array list we are getting the duplicate values, but when we are converting this array list to hash set, then we are not getting any duplicate values. We are only getting the unique values. So this is the feature of the hash set. This is all about hash set in this video, and in my next video I will explain you some programs with the help of hash set. So thanks for watching.